Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Christy with Generation Family Properties.
Welcome to your 40-acre paradise in Mojave County, Arizona. This expansive property offers breathtaking panoramic views, endless horizons, and incredible potential for your dreams to take shape. Whether you're seeking an off-grid retreat, a private homestead, or a base for outdoor adventures, this property provides a rare opportunity for serenity and seclusion. With its diverse landscape, you can explore your vision, whether that's building a dream home, starting a ranch, or simply enjoying the peace and quiet of the desert. Experience the untouched beauty of Arizona's high desert. This land is teeming with wildlife and natural vegetation. It's perfect for those who love to be close to nature. And the sunsets, they are truly unforgettable, and you won't want to miss a single one. Located in Mojave County, this property offers the best of both worlds, isolation and access. You'll enjoy the peaceful remoteness of desert living, yet you're only a short drive away from amenities in Kingman and Lake Havasu City. Explore the nearby Colorado River, historic Route 66, or take advantage of the endless recreational opportunities like hiking, ATV riding, and stargazing. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own your own slice of Arizona desert. Contact me today to learn more about the stunning property or get the full picture file. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see our weekly property videos. See you guys next time. Bye.